I have two pieces chicken long.
But
And
you still eat it.
and I have Robert. I have Robert. I turn around. I say,
Liar.
what's going
Liar.
on? My chicken is voila. My chicken is voila.
But you almost eat all my pancit. I told the baby because sometimes he said, "Oh, I'm not full." So here in the Philippines, we eat more rice than because we get full
Yeah,
by eating rice.
yeah, guys. But
That's
the
what
pancit
I told.
guisado, shit, pancit guisado, man,
Maybe
super good. My
my
first time I tried pancit guisado, guys.
my aunt she just cook it really 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 good. Cheers.
No, you have to slap the. Wait, when you say cheers, you need to go. You see that sound?
To our viewers, hello, hello, hello. I hope
Pues,
you
go
enjoy your day
enjoy
or
your day.
enjoy your night. But
Well,
I'm okay, okay? I'm okay. I'm not drunk. I'm just being me, okay?
I'm not drunk. I'm not
I
drunk.
just, I just give me. He only gave me half glass of bread horse.
How much you want? If I give you all of it, you're not gonna be able to stand up.
I can't, babe. You're not supposed to drink because you're gonna drive later. And me,
I
I
just
can just, baby, okay.
Korean drama is
I'm not Korean.
Korean.
I'm a Filipina.
Yeah, but the
To
Korean.
this partners who's looking for a good wife, girlfriend, or whatever, please, please, please. The link is in our bio,
For
in
Christians,
description
Christian
below.
Filipinas.
Christians Filipina. Yeah.
Anyways, we got a red horse on the house, guys. Today.
Tomorrow we're gonna do live again. Right now our battery is dying. Baby, slow down.
Just come on. I'm gonna sip it slow.
See if it's low.
Sip
More,
it.
more.
Drink. Dang. Guys, don't get a Filipino. They're alcoholics.
Like no,
Oh.
I want from.
You see, she's got the butt. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
This is
Dang,
my
look.
fries.
She even put more beer than me.
Well, it's not
Wait, wait,
for
wait,
me.
wait, wait,
It's
wait,
not
wait.
for
Save long, save long, save long.
No,
Babe,
it's not.
stop.
Gamay lang, gamay lang.
Come
Gamay.
on.
What is gamay in Spanish?
Poquito, poquito,
Poquito.
poquito.
Yeah, poquito. You see this? Poquito lang.
Poquito.
Poquito. This is poquito. You see, your glass is more bigger than mine. So,
A ver.
see,
Let's.
see.
Wait, Sam. It's the same line. Yours
Mm.
is more. Yours is more whiter, like this.
But yours, this glass is more. It's more. It's poquito, poquito.
Poquito, poquito. Ano ko po na? Guys. Anyways, um, yeah, it's. Oh man, my things.
Scratching your skin.
Yeah, my skin itches when I fell on the motorbike. I have dead skin like on my arms and stuff, man. But yeah, it's a nice view, guys, here. So the best.
Later, I'll show you the sunset, okay? We will show you the sunset, but right now it's too early for sunset. Wait, gamay lang. Wait. Hello to our viewers. Hi. Kamusta po? Kamusta po kayong lahat? Kamusta? That means, how are you?
Kumusta na po?
Kamusta in Tagalog and yeah, in Bisaya, kamusta? Excuse me.
Wait, Tagalog is what?
Kamusta? In Bisaya, kamusta?
Oh, the same. Kumusta is Bisaya and Tagalog. Wow. That they have Bisaya and Tagalog still have the like similar